Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet C10 CST Custom Cab, big back window, short bed pickup truck. If you have questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go to our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have questions, give us a call, but we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet C10 CST Custom Cab pickup truck right now. What a beautiful truck. The little thing about a 67 is that a big back window in a 67 was only done in later model trucks. It was an option in a 68 C10, but in 67 they did the big back window in later models of the 67. So it's very rare, and we're going to take a look at this beautiful orange and white pickup truck. It's got beautiful bucket seats with houndstooth interior, wood grain dash. Oh, looks great. It's got a new radio in it, AM, FM. It's got the cords if you want to plug your phone into it. Really nice there. A really, really clean truck. The seat goes up and becomes a seat that also has some storage down underneath here. So, really nice. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside of the bed. I love the wheels on it. The wheels are Hildebrand wheels, and it's got four-wheel disc brakes on it. Really look good. Let me show you inside the bed here. All inside the bed's finished beautifully with the wood grain. Really, really looks good. That big back glass. All right, we're going to start it. Really sounds good. It's got a great sound to it. Show you the dash here. It's one of my favorite parts of the whole truck. It's got a wood grain dash with the Tach and all the gauges. Really, really nice. So the driver's seat's houndstooth as well. Tilt wheel. I'll show you here. Horn works. Shut the door there. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Love those Hildebrand wheels. Really look good on the truck. It's got power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, 327 factory air conditioning. Really, really nice underneath the hood here. Rockstar. So all the hood looks good. Shut the hood here. And take one more quick look at the 1967 Chevrolet C10 CST Custom Cab, big back window, short bed, Chevrolet pickup truck. If you have questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this beautiful truck for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet C10 for a test drive and see how it does. I forgot to mention in the first part video, it does have a padded dash on it as well. Very nice there. If you want to hear the radio work, let me know. I can get you a video of it. Can't show it on YouTube due to copyright purposes, but I will get that for you. All right, we're going to take this truck for a test drive and see how it does. I'm going to have Greg show you the turn signals working. There's one side. Go ahead and show them the other side there, Greg. There's the other side. Horn works. The only thing that really doesn't work on the truck is the owner, but we won't get into that now. But all right, we're going to take it for a test drive and see how it does. Here we go. drives great. It's got excellent power on it. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running and driving truck. So we're going to turn around and head back here like we do every time. I'm going to have Greg get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this truck's made of. All right, here we go. We are almost back here. Like I do every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. And you can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have questions on this truck, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page for more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath.